Easy oven baked baby back ribs, and the only seasoning you're gonna need, that Carolina bussin' barbecue rub. If you don't have a grill or a smoker, then this recipe's for you. Grab 2 sheets of heavy duty foil paper, score your ribs on the backside, throw some yellow mustard down for a binder. For flavor, I'm coming with that Carolina bussin' barbecue rub. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Perfect balance of sweet and smoky in one bottle. Flip your ribs, do the exact same thing you did to the bottom to the top. Add a little bit of water to create some steam, and then throw these in the oven for 90 minutes at 350. After 90 minutes, we're gonna take these out the oven, and then we're gonna go ahead and sauce them. I'm using that Old Arthur's barbecue sauce, black owned, out of Chicago. Go ahead and get you some. Now bake these at 250 degrees for 30 minutes, uncovered. Make sure you add a little bit of water to your baking sheet to create some steam, all right? Listen, I love some ribs on the grill too, but sometimes you just want a quick 2-hour recipe like this. Go ahead and try this out. That's good, shorty.